Hello. Welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Elemental Designs, and we are here today because it is the final video, the final installment for the Friendship and Love Hop. We've had this hop going for this is the fifth week. It's been an amazing couple of weeks, you guys. We've tried all different kinds of projects. I know some things that I've done for the very first time, including today's projects. So it's been really exciting. I want to say thank you so much to everybody that has participated in our hop and has made it great. We couldn't do it without you guys. So thank you so much for uploading your videos on time. Thank you so much for the good communication and the good feedback. Thank you so much for really involving yourself 100% in what it took to get this hop going and all of your awesome creations. I really want to say thank you so much for that. So in this hop, we had Mom to Create, who is the host, as well as myself, Elemental Designs. We also had Deb Hawk, Borico's Crafting 100, K&E Crafty Shop, Scrap Memories by Anna FG, Teresa's Creations, Judy Evans Parker, and lastly we had Deborah Sweeney. So this week we had to do altered glassware, anything that was glass, more or less, anything to drink or eat on, that was glass. So let me show you guys what I created. And then I'll go into discussing anything to do with giveaways, so on and so forth, moving forward. So without further ado, this is what I made. I'm going to bring it up a little bit. Let me see if I can get I always leave the focusing for last. Hold on one second. So you guys, this is what I made. This is my altered plate. This is what I created. So yes, I went kind of oriental on this. I went very far east with this project. I really did enjoy creating this because I've never done this before. This is something that I've never ever done throughout my whole lifetime of crafting, on and or off of YouTube. I've played around with adding, little things here and there to, bottles and so on and so forth, but I've never done like a decoupage where I've actually gone into it and done all kinds of things. So let me share with you guys what I've done to this plate. So the first thing that I did is I decoupaged a sheet of music paper on the bottom. So I decoupaged that. I will have a process video on how I created this plate. I just have to do a voiceover for it and do some minor editing here and there, and I'll have that up for you guys either sometime today or probably tomorrow, if I get around to it. So I went ahead and decoupaged music paper onto the back of this plate, and then once I did the music paper, I went ahead and gessoed. I added a clear layer of gesso over it. Once I did all that, then I went in with some paints. Now the paints that I used on this particular plate are Deco Arts Dazzling Metallics and Splendid Golds, and then I added Deco Arts, what is this called? Gloss Enamel in the color True Red. And then mainly those are the two colors that are on here, and they're overlaid with each other. So pretty much I would go in with one color and then go in with another and kind of blend them in until I got this really pretty kind of goldish tone to it. Then I went in around the edges with Rich Espresso in the metallic and the Dazzling Metallic paints as well, and I put in little dashes. You see little dashes. Now when I put this paper down, I naturally got some creases here and there. I got some buckling in the paper because I didn't put it in piece by piece. Like sometimes, in order to alleviate you getting some of these little wrinkles here and there, you can put it in piece by piece. But I actually used that to take advantage of it. I actually took advantage of the fact that the paper was wrinkling everywhere, or that I got some buckling here and there, because I actually ended up turning those into branches. And the first thing, what actually inspired this whole plate was this piece right here. And I really like the colors. I really like the colors of the flower, and I pretty much fuzzy cut this whole thing out. And then once I laid this down, and I'm like, okay, I have a rose. Well, I have a flower, not a rose. It's not a rose. I have a flower here, and I have some vines already. So you know what? Let me go ahead and just add some more vines. Originally, it was just gonna be this piece, and then I was just gonna put the word friendship here somewhere in the center, and just add some vines, some branches. I wasn't really gonna go full throttle with it, but once I started laying in the branches, it just started really feeling very Asian, very Oriental to me. So I kind of just said, you know what, go forward. So then I went and I added in some little, but to me, mentally speaking, I added some little cherry blossoms. Right, that's what those are supposed to be, some little cherry blossoms. They probably don't look very much like cherry blossoms, but it's okay. Um, I went over each of the little ripples with some brown paint and turned those into branches. I extended some of the lines from the inside and turned those into branches. I fuzzy cut this little bird out here from one of the stickers that I had and decoupaged him on. I added this cute little rose that was gifted to me by Borico's Crafting 100, and I added some metal filigree here on the side. And then this is from a sticker pack, and I just pretty much painted the edges of it in the same brown so that it all kind of matches. And then she is actually something that I printed out. And then once I printed her out, I gessoed her, and then I took a piece of lace and I kind of decoupaged that lace onto her, which if you see the process video, you'll see more or less how I get it all done. And that's how she got her look. And then I painted her dress in the inside with some of the same true red enamel paint. I added some little details here. I also added 2 little pins on her hair with 2 little dragonflies on it. And overall, I really think that this came out super, super cute. Um, I'm not sure, you guys, what you think, but hopefully you're on the same boat as me. This was very, very different for me. But I really did, I really do love the way that it came out. It's like you never really know until you actually get it done. And I know for me, I was like, oh my goodness, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? What am I going to do? And I actually waited almost to the last minute to start getting her done. I think I waited till like almost Friday to start working on this plate because I just didn't know what I was going to do, to be honest with you. I'm thinking, let me just decorate it, put some beads and stuff like that. And, you know, just my normal style of doing like mixed media and stuff. I was like, let me go that way. But then I decided not to. So I'm actually kind of glad that I didn't do that because you guys have seen me do that already with so many other things. And this is something definitely new. So, yes, this is what I made. And I added the little sticker friendship because this is the friendship and love hop. And her friends are the birds. The birds and the flowers. Those are her friends. So, now that that is done, let's talk giveaways, you guys. So, I'm probably gonna just do one giveaway of something that I created, with the exception of the keychain because I was already gifted to mom to create. So I have the plate that I made today. I have my embellishments that I made a couple days on last week's hop, and I also have this that was the altered CD. Or the embellishments. If I can find them, I don't know where I put them. I must have put them away somewhere. So out of all the 5 weeks, again, with the exception of the keychain, because I already gifted that out, what was your favorite project out of all of the projects? Let me know which one of them was your favorite. And if you can pick one as a giveaway, you know, which one would it be? Let me know your answer down below, and then I will definitely be picking out a winner. And if I can grant you as the winner what you put down, then I'll definitely do that. So yes, you guys. Let's see. I'm only gonna have one winner though, you guys. I'm only gonna be able to have one winner. So if you haven't checked out the videos for the hop, then definitely go and check them out and just see what the individual projects were. Definitely like the video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, because in order for me to put you in, I definitely have to be able to see that you have liked not just one but all of the videos, that you have been hopping along week after week after week, that you have been hopping along and that you've been watching and that you have liked the videos. I have to be able to verify that on your channel. And there are ways that you guys can have that done. It's in your settings. If you have it private, then you know you could put it as public. If not, then you just have to send me an image of what your screen looks like to you, because it doesn't look like what it looks like to you is not what everybody else can see, because you have it on private. And just show me that my videos have been liked, by you. And I can put you in that way as well. But yes, check out what my videos have been for the past 5 hops. um, Let me know, out of those 5 projects, again with the exception of the keychain, you guys, of Rosita, because Rosita has a home now, with the exception of the keychain, which one of the other remaining 4 are your favorite? And if you could choose one, which one would you choose? I think that's seems simple enough and fair enough. And then I will choose a winner based on that. I have to be able to verify your subscription status, and I have to be able to verify that you have liked the videos. And yes, you guys, thank you all so much for participating in these past 5 weeks. I really do appreciate it. Thank you all so much for your feedback, your kind words, and just for supporting all the other ladies in the hop. It's been really awesome to see overall just how much you guys really enjoy all of these things. We do hope to have more hops moving forward, so definitely stay posted for that. I think the next hop is going to really be awesome one. If we get that going, it's going to be super awesome. I think you guys are going to have a really good time with the next one. So we've already been kind of talking about what we're going to do, and we have some awesome ideas. This is really going to take things out of the ballpark, if you will. So yes, you guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what you choose. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to all the ladies, all of you guys, Deb, Isabel, K&E, Anna, Teresa, Judy. Thank you so much for being consistent, for always having your videos up on the day that they needed to be up, for doing the most with your projects. I so greatly appreciate it. It really helps us to be able to do this and take this to the next level. So thank you all so much. Enjoy your Sunday, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.